And now we have more sensational details and inputs coming in with relation to this alleged scam. This is coming in from the remand copy which we have accessed, and which states and claims rather that the cash as proceeds from this purported scam were used for the Ballari polls. It was used for an election, and accounts to this purpose were created in Banjara Hills. To share more details with us, Deepak is joining us now. Deepak, tell us about these new sensational claims made in the remand note.
Things are getting murkier, and things seem to be getting only tougher for the Congress party, and especially the former minister Nagendra, and he's also a legislator, of course, with the Congress party. Right now, we of course put out earlier in the day some details from the remand note, which suggested that Nagendra was in the know-how of the entire scam. It was under his instructions that this embezzlement happened, and he remained tight-lipped about it. And now the latest, another aspect that has also found a mention in the remand note is very noteworthy here. They talk about how lot of these funds were transferred to accounts in Banjara Hills, which was opened there, and then another part of the remand note also mentions that money was used for the Ballari elections. We should note that this entire embezzlement happened around the month of February this year, and we should note that there were of course Lok Sabha elections across the country in the next few weeks after that. And right now the remand note here talking about money being used for the Ballari elections opens up yet another Pandora's box. The BJP in the past as well has been alleging that this swindling of money has happened so that the money can be used for election purposes. And now the ED as well mentions this and say that that's the reason they need to further question Nagendra to ascertain more details and confront him with the evidence and the documents that they have. They've also here said that it was in the form of cash that they actually used this money in the elections. Now Nagendra of course comes from the same region, Ballari region. But more importantly, we should note that the Congress actually managed to win that particular constituency too. So it's going to be very interesting how the BJP right now takes up this matter, which they have been speaking about in the past, but now this entire link to the elections and the money as well has definitely made things even more murkier.